Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's pretty windy, so hopefully the wind is not too loud on the mic here. But as y'all know, my Durango had been turning off on and off for a while, for about 2 years, and it's been exactly 1 month since we repaired it, and I believe the repair was exactly what I needed. So I saw this YouTuber by the name of Autotechelectronics, and little did I know he lived 50 miles away from my hometown, and I decided to go visit him, and he confirmed that my vehicle had a bad ignition switch or a wind module, wireless node, or whatever you want to call it. And I could have just got the module itself, but I was able to pick the two brand new keys, the module, the installation, the insert keys cut out, for $599 plus tax, for a grand total of $649. Now the dealership wanted like $1,400 or $1,500, can't really recall. And now I got 4 keys. There's his website there, phone number, autotechelectronic.com. And I'm happy I got the repair done because it's been working fine. I don't have to worry about my vehicle turning on and off on the highway or at midnight or whatever. And here's some more stuff. They diagnose, repair, and reprogram and flash electrical modules. And there's the contact information once again. So if you're having issues with your Journey or Ram or Durango, check their website out. Maybe they can help you out and get you on the road again. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope this helps. And once again, if your vehicle turns off, it could be your wireless node, since a lot of the older Dodge vehicles had a lot of these issues. The Durango doesn't have a recall, so oh well. So thank you guys for supporting my channel. So for the new people out there, please comment, share, subscribe, and subscribers are going to be entered into a giveaway, so might be giving a few gift cards away soon. So subscribe for a chance to win. All right, guys, bye bye.